In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Elementor library, which is a fantastic resource for enhancing your website design work. Whether you're crafting a new website from scratch or enhancing an existing page, the Elementor library offers a variety of design elements that can make your process much more efficient and creative. To start, you'll need to open any page within the Elementor editor. This is your canvas, the workspace where all the magic happens. If you're familiar with Elementor, you're likely accustomed to this interface already. But if you're new, don't worry. It's a user-friendly platform designed to streamline your creative process. Once you have your page open, direct your attention to the center of the canvas. You'll see a folder icon right there. This icon is your gateway to the Elementor library. However, for those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also access the library by pressing Ctrl or CMD along with Shift and L. It's a matter of personal preference, so choose the method that feels most comfortable to you. As soon as you click the folder icon or use the shortcut, a pop-up will appear. This pop-up is where you can explore the vast resources available in the Elementor library. The library is categorized into three main sections: blocks, pages, and My Templates. Let me guide you through each one. First, we have blocks. Blocks are pre-designed sections, thoughtfully crafted to serve various purposes on your page. These sections can be anything from gallery displays to call-to-action areas or testimonials. Utilizing these blocks can save you significant time and effort, since they are ready to be integrated into your design and customized as needed. Next up are the pages. These are full-page layouts that provide a complete design framework. With the Pages section, you can select from a variety of layouts that best suit your project or personal preference. Importing a page layout can jumpstart your design process, providing a base upon which you can build and personalize to fit your branding and style requirements. Lastly, we have My Templates. This section is particularly useful if you have specific designs you've created and saved for future use. It's your personal library of templates, and accessing it through the pop-up will allow you to easily reuse your designs across different projects, maintaining consistency and saving time. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to accessing and navigating the Elementor library. Remember, whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, the resources offered by the library can greatly enhance your design process, providing inspiration and ready-made elements that are easy to modify to suit your needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!